Guys, welcome back. So today we have this new Jurassic World Dino Reveal, and luckily Sephard found this for me. We found a D right there in the bottom, so that means it will be this POPOSAURUS right here, because it goes like A, B, C, D. So this is it right here, a rare POPOSAURUS. Okay, we're gonna unbox it. I brought up my older POPOSAURUS from Epic Evolution right there. So I'm gonna show it off. This is the original POPOSAURUS. Finally has a variant now from the Dino Reveal. There's the Fun Facts DNA scan. And obviously has no features in it because it's a danger pack. And here's my other touch-up POPOSAURUS. I covered all the orange colorings right there with blue. And gave it a distinction, the arms, and then I painted the claws. Whoop. Right there. Even the dew claw. Tiny dew claw was painted. Except for the hand claw, because it's so tiny, there's no need to paint it. So there you have it. Yeah. Make it look better. I didn't make a custom paint anymore of the POPOSAURUS because when I heard the Dino Reveal was gonna make some, what's the point of it? And I got our tank ready right here. We're gonna unveil it, so let's check it out. Let's unbox it. Okay. Hopefully it is a POPOSAURUS. Uh-oh, tail came out. Uh-oh. Yep, yeah, it's a POPOSAURUS, see? Just follow the letters on the bottom. It is the D, so this is the rare POPOSAURUS. Alright, not bad. Obviously the DNA scan is gone. Same as the neck articulation, obviously gone. You cannot articulate the neck anymore. Unlike the original, you can articulate it. See, it goes up and down. But at least they kept the jaw articulation though. So it still articulates. Alright, let's put it in the tank. And we're gonna unveil it. We'll dunk it in here. Whoosh. Whoop, let's add more water. There you go, it's dissolving. There you go. Let's try to unveil now its glossy color. Should we shake it? Yeah. Oh no, it's a little messy now. Okay, we'll just leave it that way. Now it's sort of dirty now. Okay, now that it's ready, it is a violet POPOSAURUS, and it's really pretty. Look at that. Let me dry it up first. Pat it down. He has a gray sail, silver sail actually. I don't know where Mattel gets his colors from, but they're not bad though. What's that? Okay, obviously the fun facts are gone. Let's check the jaw part. Okay, good. I don't know what that is. What is that? I don't like it. Oh well, let's just say it's a defect. Okay, I think it's dry now. So it has a silver color in its eye, green eyes, like a mint green. Violet color, silver sail. The lower jaw is like a pearl color or beige, something like that. Oops. Okay, so let's compare to its original predecessor right here. It's pretty much about the same size because it's just a repaint. Mattel just did some tweaks, took off the fan facts and the neck articulation. There's like more silver thing going on in its head right there. So yeah, this is a rare one. So hopefully they're gonna make an ultra rare ones. Like here in the bottom part, it's gonna be like GHI. Alright, so we already have this going up here. So what we need now is the A, C, and an E. That's what I need. 3 more to go. Or actually 6 more to go because of the ultra rare. We're sort of anticipating that. Alright guys, if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. I know it's been a while. There's nothing to review that much. Yeah, give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe, okay guys? Y'all have a good one now and take good care. Well, let me look for that thing first. The year over here, I can't see. Oh, it says 2023. I don't know if you guys can see that. 2020. Whoop. Yeah, 2023. Let's check the older one. Yeah, definitely. It's also 2023. So it is. This one used to be this one. Okay, guys. Thanks again. Take care now. Yeah.